Ready?
Here we come to the elevator at Matthew Hall at University of North Texas, Denton, Texas. You might think this is just your ordinary average elevator, but wait until you see what's on the inside. And here it is. Look at this. Originally used to be a gated elevator.
I filmed this before. I'm just getting a retake.
All right, here we go. Not sure. Yeah, it's very slow.
I don't think you can go to S or E.
No, you can't. It's locked.
Yeah. I think S or B is where you use this game.
Yeah, that rear door is for the is for these floors, but you need a key for it.
Yeah.
I don't know what brand this is. Oh, it's a Baxter and Sons. This is my first Baxter and Sons elevator. I did not. This is Baxter and Sons, my very first. I didn't realize this is the Baxter and Sons. This is my very ever first Baxter and Sons elevator.
Nice. I thought it was a United. Forgot it was Baxter and Sons.
Sorry about that, guys. Someone had to use it, so I had to let them take it. But anyways, let's go up. Here we go. Look at a full detail cab view of this. Still got the original scissor gate on the back side and a regular 2-speed door on this side. This is amazing. All right, let's go back down. Before I go, see, Baxter and Sons, my very first. All right, let's go back down to 1. I went in there. That was one of the best elevators on this campus. There it goes. And that's it.